Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car, put it on a level surface, and engage the parking brake, then lift and place rated jack stands under solid points. Once done, remove the wheel to access the shock assembly. Make sure to disconnect any sway bar links or sensor connectors that obstruct removal, because clearance speeds the swap. You'll want your spring compressor ready if it's a strut assembly. This avoids sudden spring release and keeps you safe while you unbolt the top and bottom mounts. With the wheel off, support the lower control arm to prevent droop, then loosen the lower shock nut while holding the strut shaft steady. Once lower fasteners are free, remove the top mount bolts and gently extract the assembly. If it's a strut, compress the spring slowly and swap the shock cartridge, making sure orientation matches. Once the new unit is assembled, decompress cautiously, align top mount studs, then finger tighten bolts. Confirm fit because correct preload and stroke length affect ride, and finish by torquing top and bottom fasteners to the vehicle's specifications, using the correct sequence to avoid preload issues. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts to spec. Take a short test drive at low speed to feel for noise, bounce, or pulling. If you hear clunks or steering feels off, stop and recheck mount bolts, sway links, and bushing condition. Loose hardware or damaged bushings are the most common causes. Retorque and replace worn parts as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.